Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Cardano, ADA, from Kraken to Metamask. While Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, we can bridge ADA over with a few extra steps. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kraken account with some ADA in it, Metamask installed on your browser, and a bit of knowledge about bridging tokens since Cardano isn't directly compatible with Metamask. Also, keep an eye on network fees, they can add up. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account and head to the wallet section. Find your ADA balance and select the withdraw option. You'll need to choose the Cardano network for this transfer. Double-check that you're withdrawing to a Cardano-compatible address or a bridge service like a wrapped token platform. Next, if you're bridging to Metamask, go to a reputable bridge like those on platforms such as Layer 0 or Multichain. Copy your Metamask address, remember, it has to be an Ethereum-compatible one for wrapped ADA. Paste it into the bridge interface and initiate the transfer from your Cardano wallet or directly if Kraken supports it. Once the bridge process starts, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Keep your devices secure and never share your private keys. After the transfer, open Metamask, switch to the appropriate network, like Ethereum mainnet if you're using wrapped ADA, and you should see your tokens there. Finally, always verify transactions on blockchain explorers to ensure everything went smoothly. There you have it. That's how you send Cardano from Kraken to Metamask in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's connect in the comments. Got questions? Drop them below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.